Welcome back to the 7-step attraction marketing formula. We are on to step number 6, where we're going to uncover your prospect's pain and provide the painkiller. Let's get started. Hey, it's Norbert Orlowitz here again with MLSP, where we help home business owners get results. Now, if you remember, in step number 3, we talked about understanding your audience's problems, challenges, and pain so that we can create and share relevant content to attract, educate, and engage our ideal target audience. In step 6, we're now going to make this more specific to the individual needs of your prospects. In this step, it's all about connection and providing your prospect with the exact solution that they're looking for. You can't provide the proper painkiller until you've connected with your prospect and discovered their specific needs. And the best way to uncover each individual prospect's pain is to connect and actually talk with them. It's so simple. Find their biggest problem and provide the perfect solution by pointing them to a product or service that you offer. Now understand, the vast majority of marketers never reach out to their leads and then complain that they aren't making any money. If you simply take the time to reach out and connect with your prospects who opted into your website or connected with you on Facebook Messenger or anywhere else, you will stand out above your competitors. You'll be unique in your marketplace, and you will eventually win. You are losing money if you're not connecting with and taking the time to discover what each individual prospect truly wants and needs. Let's stick with our network marketing example to stay congruent, but it's just as important for any business in any industry. The reality is, your network marketing company wants you to talk about only one thing: their products and services. That's all they care about. You promoting their solutions to everyone in sight with a pulse. And they need you to get their products out to the world because they don't usually know a thing about real marketing. And every conversation with every prospect must lead to one solution: their products. Even if this prospect isn't a good match, they want you to send them to the presentation. Think about this. If you had a restaurant and you filled it with complete strangers, and all you had on the menu was steak, what would happen when you try to serve your steak to a vegan? You need to only be speaking with people in your target audience, not everyone you see in the parking lot. This is how you avoid rejection. And when you know who your audience is and what their problems and challenges are, you can start to give them exactly what they want. And when you give them what they want, you provide value and you serve your audience. You give them solutions to their problems. You build relationships, you gain trust, build rapport, and then you will start to actually get customers, make money, and grow your business. The solution is to stop chasing unqualified friends and family. Stop trying to convince every stranger in sight how amazing your opportunity is. Look, it's the 21st century. There's a much better way. It's called attraction marketing and the internet. I want you to imagine being able to attract quality prospects to you every single day. Yes, imagine quality people actually reaching out to you, asking about your opportunity. These prospects are already interested in what you have. They know who you are, and they're excited to talk to you. This is what will happen when you start to build your audience online, following our proven MLSP framework and MLSP attraction marketing method. All right, so let's sum this up here. If you followed all of the previous steps of this attraction marketing formula, you've now begun to build your audience, develop relationships, create influence, and attract ideal prospects to you. In step number 6, you're now simply reaching out, making personal connections, and discovering exactly what your prospects want so you can give them exactly what they need. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you get notified every time that we put out a new training like this. And if you got a big breakthrough or if you've got any questions, make sure you leave a comment below to share with the community. And don't forget, click the link in the description below to continue with the final step in the 7-step attraction marketing formula.